Now guys, we'll be going for data filtering. What is data filtering? You know what? If I go to this header, go to data, and under sort and filter, if I click on the filter, each fields have been filtered now. If I select student name is Amit Kumar, it's saying Amit Kumar. If I select the filter for AI, Amit Kumar has gone for AI application in company like TCS, Infosys, and HCL. If I select for HCL, I can see how much is code in HCL. Can you see this now, guys? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this
Yes,
is how
sir.
we
Yes,
can
sir.
go for filtering the data. What you do here, if I want to filter application like SaaS and company for, let's say, Infosys, I can filter the values like this. I can copy the value. I can paste it wherever I want to paste as this pasted filter value to be pasted here. Does it make sense to all, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now moving to test 6. In this test 6, I want to go for filtering the data. What is the filter data? If I select this header, I go to the filter. I want to go for selecting data for Apollo. I want to select for Apollo gender as female. I want to filter data for age, which is age. I will choose number filter to between of what? 30 and 70. I want to go for state code as QLD, Queensland. I want to go for spend amount, which is number filter greater than $500. Does it make sense, guys? Everyone,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
you can select this, copy this here, go to the next test, paste these values. Do not paste in the same sheet. Since it is the filter is given, remove the filter. Again, you make the filter. This time, I want to go for selecting company like Apollo, Simpla, and Geno. Gender like both female and male. I want to go for the age, which is greater than 50 years of age. I want to go for state code as New South Wales, QLD, Queensland, and West Australia. I want to go for the spend amount, which is greater than 500. So that's how I see the output is going to come as a filter. I should paste this output in another sheet. Does it make sense, guys? How to go for filtering the data and how to go for pasting the data?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, there is
Yes,
something
sir.
called advanced filter. You know what is advanced filter? Somebody says, hey, could you please get me the result for SaaS, the result for company as Infosys, the result for AI, go for the company as, let's say, HCL. So ultimately, what I'm trying to do here, I want to filter application like SaaS and AI, company like Infosys and HCL, and I want to paste it here. Does it make sense to all? How to go for doing this data? You can go for advanced filter. You can choose copy to another location. The list range is column A to D. The criteria range, which is over here. The copy to location is this. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
to go for filtering the data? Everyone,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll do another example here. Given this table, customer ID, company, gender, age, state code, and spend amount. The filter criteria is what? Company Religare, gender female, age greater or equal to 50, state code QLD, GSK for male greater or equal to 60, and West Australia, Apollo for male greater or equal to 70 years age, and Victoria, Med Plus for female 30 plus 30 greater or equal to 30, and ACT as the state code where I want to filter the values based on this table given. So ultimately, you can go here, you can choose, select these, go to data, click on the advanced filter. choose copy to another location. The list range is column A to F. The criteria range is this to this and copy to this location. Does it make sense to all? Everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is for religare, this is for female. Age greater or equal to 50 and QLD, the values are coming. This is for GSK, male greater than or equal to 60 years age and waist terrestrial value is coming. Same thing for Med Plus. Same thing for Apollo. Are you getting this, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.